The fad diet trap: why quick fixes don't last. Fad diets promise rapid weight loss, but they rarely deliver lasting results. These diets can be detrimental to your health. Most fad diets severely restrict calorie intake. Initial weight loss is often unsustainable. Your body needs a balanced mix of nutrients. Most people regain the weight they lost. Embrace long-term lifestyle changes for true health. The illusion of speed: why fad diets seem appealing. Fad diets capitalize on our desire for instant gratification. They promise rapid weight loss in a short amount of time. This is tempting if you're pressured to lose weight quickly, but this focus on speed often harms your health. Crash diets can shock your metabolism and lead to muscle loss. This slows your metabolism, making weight loss harder. Rapid weight loss is often water weight, not fat. Sustainable weight loss is gradual and requires patience. Nutritional roller coaster: the hidden dangers of imbalance. Our bodies need a variety of nutrients to function correctly. These nutrients come from different food groups, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Each food group provides unique vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for our health. Fad diets often restrict or eliminate entire food groups, which can lead to nutrient deficiencies. For example, some diets cut out carbohydrates while others demonize fats. While these approaches may lead to initial weight loss, they can have serious consequences for your health in the long run. Carbohydrates are our body's primary source of energy. When you don't consume enough carbohydrates, you may experience fatigue, weakness, and difficulty concentrating. Fats are essential for hormone production, cell growth, and nutrient absorption. Restricting fats can lead to hormonal imbalances, dry skin, and nutrient deficiencies. Instead of following restrictive diets, focus on consuming a balanced and varied diet that provides your body with all the nutrients it needs to thrive. Section 4. The sustainability myth: why fad diets are designed to fail. Most fad diets are inherently unsustainable. They often involve strict rules, rigid meal plans, and a long list of forbidden foods. While this may work in the short term, it's challenging to maintain such restrictive eating patterns over time. Life is full of social events, holidays, and celebrations that often revolve around food. Trying to stick to a fad diet in these situations can be isolating, stressful, and ultimately lead to feelings of failure. Moreover, fad diets don't teach you how to develop a healthy relationship with food. They often promote an all-or-nothing mentality, where you're either on or off the diet. This can lead to a cycle of yo-yo dieting, where you lose weight, gain it back, and then start the cycle all over again. Instead of focusing on short-term restrictions, shift your mindset towards long-term sustainable habits. Make gradual changes to your eating patterns, incorporating more whole foods, and listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Section 5. Embracing a holistic approach: the path to sustainable weight management. Sustainable weight management is not just about what you eat, it's about creating a healthy lifestyle that supports your overall well-being. This includes nourishing your body with nutritious foods, engaging in regular physical activity, managing stress levels, and getting enough sleep. When you focus on improving your overall health, weight loss becomes a natural byproduct. Instead of obsessing over calorie counting or following restrictive meal plans, listen to your body and give it what it needs to thrive. Start by making small, sustainable changes to your daily routine. Instead of cutting out entire food groups, focus on incorporating more whole, unprocessed foods into your diet. Add more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to your meals. Choose lean protein sources and healthy fats. Find an exercise routine that you enjoy and make it a part of your regular schedule. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Section 6. Your journey to lasting wellness: unlocking the secrets. Remember, true health and wellness are not about quick fixes or drastic measures. Fad diets may offer a tempting shortcut, but they rarely deliver lasting results. In fact, they can often do more harm than good, jeopardizing your health and setting you up for a cycle of weight loss and regain. Instead of falling prey to the latest fad diet craze, focus on making gradual, sustainable changes to your lifestyle. Embrace a holistic approach to health and wellness, nourishing your body with nutritious foods, engaging in regular physical activity, managing stress, and getting enough sleep. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to natural, quick weight loss without sacrificing your health? Download our free report today and discover a sustainable approach to achieving your weight loss goals. Your journey to lasting wellness starts now.